how to fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver error. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, we need to open up any browser and just search for OpenDLL files. Now look for the DLL files website and click on it. Here, search for OpenGL 32 and open this 32 file. Once you do that, you will be on this page. Here you can download 32-bit or you can download 64-bit. Now, if you don't know which version you have in your PC, simply go to search bar and search bar about your PC. And here you can see mine version is 64-bit. So, I will download 64-bit. Simply download the supported version. Once it is downloaded, open it up. Right click on it and copy this file. Now we need to locate the location for Blender. For that, right click on Blender and click on Open File Location. Once you are in Blender file location, paste that file here and that's it. Now if we open Blender, you can see it is opened. So that's basically how you can fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.